Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. Today's topic, right into the heart of a particular case study. So in my office, we have the case where we represent the trustee of a trust. There had been the intersection of surrogates court law, real property contract, selling of real estate, and an eviction. So the aspect of the case that I'm going to discuss today is the eviction. So the trustee of the trust had to prosecute the eviction of a sibling that was also the tenant in a property. Now, in a pre-COVID-19 world, we were scheduled for trial in Kings County Civil Court, the housing part, and we were representing the trust. And it was marked final for trial against the tenant. Then the quarantine lockdown and the hiatus took place. Well, we received notice last week that we were able to schedule the trial. We were one of the among the number of cases that had been marked for trial pre-COVID. They're ready to schedule them. Now, interestingly enough, we were entitled to be scheduled in a large courtroom in King Supreme where social distancing protocols could take place. Now, correspondent for the attorney for the tenant was that this attorney did not want to consent to an in-person trial until he knew what safety protocols were put in place. So we offered to conduct the trial virtually by Skype. And it actually helps because our client, the trustee of the trust, resides out of state, and with the New York State protocols, our client would have to come into New York State and quarantine for 2 weeks before the trial. So we actually were willing and are interested in having a virtual trial. Well, the attorney for the tenant did not want to consent to a virtual trial. So the judge in the matter conferenced the case today and has directed that we all conduct the trial virtually. We're going to engage in, the judge was very gracious and was trying to work out a settlement arrangement between all parties involved in the matter. We're going to have another scheduling session. Hopefully we can resolve this dispute without proceeding to trial, but we did secure a trial date just in the case that the matter doesn't settle. But virtual trials are going to go forward. They've been going forward. But in-person trials are going to go forward with consent of all the people, right? We want to, I don't want to put forth any delaying tactics or bad motives of any person, but delaying an in-person trial certainly helps, in this case, one litigant more than the other litigant. So if you'd like to speak about your particular case, please reach out to me, Frank at Frank Bruno Law.